He's got something for you. Come to the front door. Okay, Mommy. Skylar, I think you're going to be very surprised. Here, Sky.
Beckett, do you like him?
You named him?
His home did. Do you like him?
We get to keep him?
No, look, even Ripper likes him.
For how long?
Oh, look at
Forever.
Why?
that. Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Early Christmas present.
Can you close the door? Can you get us sit down to hold him?
Hello,
You
Beckett.
can come right here.
We get to keep him!
Close the door. I know.
Hello, Beckett.
He's a little scared.
You're gonna keep it forever? I thought we were never gonna
Oh, is it a puppy
have,
dog?
I was gonna have one dog
Oh,
at
is it a
once.
puppy
Is it
dog?
potty trained?
Good,
It's so
Beckett.
Becky.
Good, Beckett. Good
We're gonna keep
boy.
him forever?
Good boy.
How long does
Good
he
boy.
have left?
He's a baby.
He's a baby? Oh my god. Can you sleep with me tonight?
No, honey, he has to sleep in his kennel.
Where's the kettle?
It's in the car still.
Ripper.
He's so cute.
Well, come sit down.
Can I have him now?
Hold on, let's Skylar hold it, you know. Okay, Skylar, let your brother hold it for a
I'm
second.
gonna go away now. He doesn't feel well.
Good boy, Beckett.
Here, come over here. There you go.
Good boy, Beckett.
Sit. Come over here. Sit right here. There you go.
Good boy, Ripper.
Does he like belly
Beckett.
scratches?
Good
Yes,
boy.
Isn't he cute?
Good
Does he like it,
boy.
Daddy?
You're a good
Does
boy.
he like it?
Yeah, Ripper. You're a good boy.
I think so.
Oh,
He's
my.
beginning to like you.
Good boy. Good boy, Beckett. Yeah, he is. Oh, good boy.
Beginning to like me.
Good boys.
At first he
Good boys. Good
Good
boys.
is so amazing.
Good boy,
He
Ripper.
is so
Good boy. You love the puppy. You love that puppy.
At first he got it
You love it. Is it Christmas? Is it Christmas? Is it Christmas, Beckett? Is it Christmas?
He likes me.
Yes, he does. He really likes you.
He really likes me,
Well, come
Mom.
over here, honey.
Ripper really likes him, too. Yes.
He really likes me.
Hello, Beckett. Here you go, buddy.
He wants to get off.
Oh, is it Beckett? Oh, Beckett.
How old is he?
3.5 months old.
Oh, you're so cute.
I thought he was a couple
so
months. How old does he get?
Oh, my.
How old does he get?
He'll get to be really old.
Nice.
Good boy, Ripper.
We get to keep the doggy. We get to record him. Becky.
Oh, it's the puppy.
He likes me. Just so you know, I cut
it's the
my
puppy.
hands.
Okay.
Oh,
Good boy,
Hey,
Ripper.
Becky. Becky.
good boy. He's biting on me. Good boys.
Hey, Becky.
Good boys. Good boys.
He is a good boy.
Becky.
She yakking?
I don't know for them.
Becky. I got it.
Let him go.
Let him go. Let him wander around, honey.
Let him around.
Yeah.
Can we let him outside or something?
Well, we've got to take him on a walk. He needs to be on a leash at all times, honey, okay? Because I'm not sure if he can get through that,
He's biting me.
if he can get through the, don't let him bite you, honey.
This is such a present. You Becky. You Becky.
Oh, it's the puppy.
You Becky. You Becky. Becky. Isn't name
Beckett. Kind of like Bucket.
Beckett. You Beckett.
Well, hold on,
I
hold
think
on.
Velcro.
Let-
Hey, Velcro. Hey, Velcro.
Hey Beckett. Beckett. His teeth are sharp. Hey.
Just if he bites at you, just, you know, just say, ah.
Beckett. He did actually nibble because of the tongue I had access. There we go. Want him to get a little belly.
Don't pick him up, honey. Let him be. Let him come to you. He's got to get used to it.
Belly
The
scratch.
first foot you go.
First couple days, we got it. He'll love you, honey. But first couple days,
Yeah, just
Beckett. Beckett.
It's like, what's a puppy?
He's happy. He's like, oh, this is fun.
How much did you get him for? How much did you pay for him?
Christopher, that's not a question,
How much
honey.
did you pay for him?
Not your concern, not your business.
Did it cost much or what?
Christopher, not your concern.
Oh, it's Beckett.
We're gonna teach you lots of rotten things.
Oh, stop it.
We're gonna ruin the puppy together. Right there. Let's ruin that
He
puppy
likes
together.
me.
Okay, Chris, sit up so he doesn't do that. Don't let him bite at you, honey. I know,
He chewed on my ear.
but you don't want him learning to bite you, okay, honey? Daddy, we're not gonna get him all wound up so he
Yes,
bites
we
you.
are.
Did you like my Tio scratch right here?
Yeah, but right now he's still, oh,
Edward likes him, right, Mom?
yes, he does. Oh, wait a minute, we gotta pick up that ornament.
Beckett. There we go.
We gotta get this toy out of the car.
Beckett! I'm gonna go get it.
Hold on, honey.
Beckett is so cute. And Edward likes him. I can pick him up. I'll go get my stuff. No?
No, Chris, honey, I haven't got my car in the garage. Sweetheart, no, Chris, honey.
Beckett's this is gonna be the funniest Christmas ever. I know. With a cute doggy with us on his side. This is gonna be awesome. Just sit back. We don't have to sit back and relax.
He said
Why-
he's very shy.
Why are the kids better behaved with him than you? They're calmer than you are.
It's gonna
Beckett!
take him a while to adjust to the house.
Beckett!
He's socialized so well.
He's so... Beckett!
He knows who the troublemaker is.
Yeah, he's already found the troublemaker,
He
Daddy.
kicked me out. We're gonna roughhouse, aren't we? We're gonna roughhouse.
Daddy!
We're gonna roughhouse.
I'm giving him belly scratch and
We're
phone.
gonna roughhouse.
Okay, don't do that right now, honey, okay?
We're gonna
Let
roughhouse.
him-
There you go. Let's get that Betty. Let's get that Betty.
Every time you go by that tree report.
Get that Betty.
No, Chris, honey. No, sweetheart.
Smell the puppy.
Please don't do that,
Good boy,
honey.
Beckett.
Honey,
Beckett!
come on, pull him away from the tree. Come get his attention.
Beckett! Beckett! Beckett!
Good job.
Boy, Beckett.
Good boy.
Mama, you got him? I'm so excited. I love him.
Should we go take him for a walk?
Okay, yeah.
Why don't we go take you and
Okay,
Miss Ford for a
okay.
walk?
Can I hold him first on the leash?
Yeah. Hey, Chris, what'd you do with the leash that was outside, baby?
Oh, it's still outside.
Okay, we got to be very careful with the door, sweetheart, with the puppy around, okay?
That's so cute.
Honey,
No, how cute.
wait. Okay. Watch this, Chris.
What?
Here, hand me the leash. Here, Daddy.
Yes?
Take the camcorder. Watch how good he is.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, I plan on.
Beckett.
Can you zoom out?
His name is Beckett? Oh, Beckett.
Okay.
You know that Rick doesn't love him, right, Mom?
Yes, hold on, back it. Up, look, sit. Ready?
Good boy. Good boy. Good
He's
boy.
also sweet for that.
Well, we've got...
Ripper, wanna go for a walk? Wanna go for Walkie Poo? Wanna go for Walkie Poo? Walkie Poo. Walkie Poo.
It'd be cute.
Walkie Poo. Walkie Poo.
Okay, you gotta be very careful.
Can I have Beckett?
No, first Skylar gets them.
Walkie Poo.
He's
He's getting wailed on by the tail.
No, he doesn't have to.
Becky! You go for a walk. You gotta go for a walk. You gotta go for a walk. You gotta go for a walk. What's that?
You gonna come with us?
Yeah. You gotta go for a walk. You gotta go for a walk.
I like her.
All right, that's Beckett.